AUD USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel Tutor. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. You can join free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Go and join Telegram, check out the prop firm and the brokers right here. Sign up with these brokers, start a fresh account, because when you are going to trade with my signals, I want you to have a separate broker account and don't trade with my signals in your existing account. Keep it separate, okay? So subscribe, like, to all of that. Coming back to AUD USD, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. In weekly, I think we have a red candle, so coming week starting from tomorrow should be red as well. But let's see. Right, so the red candle did not cross below the EMA. Okay, 64319 is the red candle close and 64318 is the green EMA. Okay, so we still have not closed below the EMA. So yeah, we have to keep an eye. Weekly doesn't really make sense what's going to happen tomorrow, right? But let's come back to daily. In daily, this low is not broken yet, but I have this feeling, not feeling, I'm sure actually that this week dollar is going to go up. Okay, so dollar is gonna go up this week, coming tomorrow. In next 5 days dollar will go up, which means other pairs which have correlation with dollar, such as AUD, Euro, GBP, they will go down. Okay, so that confirmation you can get from 4-hour. If you come here in 4-hour, you can see the new downtrend is started. Okay, so this was our downtrend in 4-hour. Then we took a pullback. Then we made a new low. Okay, so new low is made, and then we have a pullback, and then we have a rejection from the EMA. You see, EMA rejection, and that means if we have the next red candle which eats this blue candle in in tomorrow's morning session. Okay, so when the market opens and if this blue candle is eaten by another red candle, that's where you go for short sell. Okay, otherwise keep an eye, use your fib levels from here till here, and then maybe it might take a pullback and then come down. But one thing you need to know, dollar will be going up in next 5 days. Now what I'm saying, it will happen in next 5 days. It doesn't mean that it will happen tomorrow or day after. Okay, I'm giving you, for example, 5 days where AUD will go down, Euro will go down, GBP will go down. That will happen in the span of 5 days. Okay, so this whole week is about dollar being going up. That's all I can say for now. Okay, so if I would be you, I will wait for the pullback, then red confirmation candle, and then look for a sell in AUD USD, and same for NZD USD. So you can use this same analysis for NZD USD, as I don't record separate videos for NZD USD. Okay, and if you like what you see, subscribe, like, join the Telegram, and sign up with a broker. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.